What is up everybody, I'm Social and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. So today I'm gonna be preparing something the most indulgent dessert, so chocolatey, and you must try this recipe. This recipe is eggless and it's done in microwave, so it's under 3 minutes. Everything can be done in very simple and easy way. So you must have guessed what it is, as you must have seen the thumbnail already. So today I'm gonna be preparing brownie. This is so good. I know everyone loves brownie. Let's see how to make this. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup of butter, which is room temperature, and 1/3 cup of dark chocolate, which is also room temperature. And the dark chocolate is of 55% of dark chocolate, and I'm melting it for 20 seconds in microwave. And mix well till the butter and chocolate melts together and make it a creamy texture. Now add half a cup of sugar. I'm using caster sugar. You can use any sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, anything you want. And now whisk it well. Well, I would prefer brown sugar more for brownies. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk again. And a pinch of salt, just for the balance. Whisk again. Now you're going to be needing 1 cup of flour. Now I'm adding the first half batch. Now 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix well till you get a hard batter. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of milk. And mix it. I will be adding the rest of the milk. Now add the other half of flour, the second part of flour again. Make it into a doughy consistency. Like this. You might see there is a reduction in quantity. Now in a container where you're gonna boil, I've placed the butter outside and then I placed the parchment paper. Now I'm gonna transfer the brownie batter into the mold which I have prepared in a glass container and spread it equally till it gets everything smooth in the top layer. Now I'm setting the timer for 2 minutes to microwave. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. The clock ticks. Now make sure you're cooling the brownie. And now I'm placing it in a container. I'm having a bit of chocolate chunk and I'm just gonna give it a design, so I'm just shaving the chocolate on my brownie. And there you go, you have the amazing chocolatey fudgy brownie you will ever taste. Everything is well balanced and it's so good. You should definitely try this recipe whenever you're bored Please do try this recipe because it's so good and it's so easy to make. Please do like this video if you really love it. Share it with your friends and please do subscribe to my channel. You can wait for the further more beautiful recipes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you see you in the next episode. Till then, ciao!